crackers.
Tell Daddy what you see. What does it mean, Marvin? From where?
Green Bay.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, it's got a G. Get the gun out. Look at the ball. Look at the skier. But it's going to start to go down. Hi.
Hi.
My name is Auntie Kissy Love, and next week I'm going to make honey cakes. And I'm
Honey
gonna send you
cakes.
one. There's one with an M on it. Whoa. One with an M. Scott doesn't want them anymore because they don't want to get fat.
We like
So
it.
I said this to Scott.
Well, Scott, then I get your honey cakes.
Yes, you're going to get his honey cake.
Honey cakes. You want honey cakes?
I was going to make it this morning, and I know you were coming later. He's home. Craig is Craig. We see him Friday nights. He gives.
What's it taste like? Can you taste the fish?
Tastes like lemonade.
Is the wind in your mouth? Are you having fun?
It really turned out to be a beautiful day.
I know it was going to, but it would have a slow start. The nice morning. I love these days. It feels like fall. Is Mommy tickling you? Is she? Am I eating you? Delicious.
Little lady. Little lady.
I love her. Hair is all over her face. Just like such a pretty prim. Oh, she's fixing it. I forgot you understand everything.
Are you a pretty girl, Audrey?
You have a camera. There was one of them standing next to him, talking to him in blue hair and white. You know, my feet are getting sunburned. Anybody else?
Shirley to sing you some more songs. Ask her to please sing.
Okay, let me see. Does she know her ABCs? You're adorable. You're so beautiful. C, you're a cutie full of charms. D, you're a darling. And E, you're exciting. And F, you're a feather in my arms. G, you look good to me. H, you're so heavenly. I, you're the one I idolize.
Put them all
No,
together.
what comes after H-I? You do, K, you're so kissable and kissable. L, you're the love light in my eyes. M, N, O, P, I could go on all day. Q, R, S, T, alphabetically saying you're okay. Complete V means you're very. W, X, Y, Z. It's fun to wander through the alphabet with you to tell you what you. Let me think of any kid songs I
Can you
know.
clap your hands? Say yay!
Okay, listen. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle. Here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, then I shout, "Tip me over and pour me out." You know that, yay! What are the other songs? Come on.
Do you want to sing Slippery Fish?
Oh, that's right. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
You do.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. She knows that
How about
one.
Twinkle Twinkle?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Hey Audrey, can you sing Happy Birthday?
Happy birthday to you.
It was Daddy's
Happy
birthday.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Big finish.
uncle. Oh no!
Eaten
By a tuna fish.
tuna fish splashing through the water. Tuna fish, tuna fish. Oh, 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 oh no! He got eaten by a octopus. Octopus wiggling through the water. Octopus, octopus. Oh, 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 oh no! He got eaten by a great white shark. Great white shark lurking through the water. Great white shark. Great white shark. Go, 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 go. Oh no! Oh no! He got eaten by a humongous whale. Humongous whale. Scouting through the water. Humongous whale. Humongous whale. Oh, oh, oh no!
Excuse me.
Bird. The ducks are on the dock.
Are you driving the boat?
Really? Was that the one that was in the music that wanted to?
Yeah, yeah. And then,
Can you turn the wheel?
yeah, so it's gonna turn it. So usually I would try to just
Uncle
relax
Mikey.
around that.
Hi, cousin Mark. Why am I an uncle?
I don't know. I just gotta use your ahead of time.
You're only a couple years younger than me.
Yeah, but you're much more mature.
Yes. Well, that's given.
That goes without saying.
Yes.
So how's life in California, cousin Mike?
It's going great, cousin Mark. How's life in Minnesota?
Oh, wonderful. Sitting here on a typical Minnesota winter day.
Yeah.
December in Minnesota, man.
Yeah,
You can't beat
actually,
it.
this global warming thing kicks ass, doesn't it? Look at it. We have somebody around.
One, two, three, and four.
Shirley and Freeman's home.
2, 3.
Beautiful here. We just had a really beautiful boat ride on Crystal Lake.
Yeah. Do you see the birdie?
The three Jews are untangling the hook.
Hey, Carrot. Hold on. Stay down here, Audrey. Come on, drop that crap.
Her first fishing trip. Adam, you want me to take it?
Probably a better idea.
Uncle Freeman's gonna catch a fish.
Sit down.
Do you want me to leave the camera here for you, Mike?
You're not gonna stand and watch
This cool playhouse. Isn't that cute? A playboat. You went on a fishing trip?
With Grandpa and his old buddy in Canada.
Oh, did you go with them? He
Yeah.
goes every year, right?
Yeah, I went one year.
Did you have to pull the hook, the fish off the hook for him?